children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Today let's start our exercise 16a part 1. Let's start with state true or false. Here they have given a statement. First let's understand the question. A line segment 4 cm long can have only 2000 points in it. So in the previous video I have explained what is line segment. If you have missed it, check the description box. I have given a link in the description box. Line segment has two end points which cannot be extended, right? So here let's draw a diagram. This is a line segment and it has two fixed endpoint. So the length of this 4 cm is not changed. When they give a line segment, that means this 4 cm long cannot be changed because both are having a fixed point end. This is the end points. So on this line can you place only 2000 points. So if you consider, if you place 2000 points inside this, you can place as many you want. See here, you can place a point over here, a point over here, a point over here. Similarly, you can keep on placing how many ever you want, right? How many ever you want, you can just place the lines on the top, small lines. So it's false, right? Okay, next question. A ray has one endpoint and a line segment has two endpoints. Even this ray I have explained in the previous video. A ray has one endpoint and one extending point. See, this is an end point. Whenever full stop, end. Just remember like this. Full stop means end. You cannot extend this line over here. But here see the arrow. Arrow explains that you can move in this direction, right? So whenever one is fixed and another is extendable, that is marked with arrow, then it is a ray. What they are telling is the ray has one endpoint. Yes, here is the one endpoint. Even this endpoint can be on the either side. Here it's a fixed point, and even here you can place an arrow. Even that is a ray, right? And what the first one is satisfied. This one is satisfying, right? Next, the line segment has two endpoints. How can you draw a line segment? Line segment always have a full stop, that is end points on both sides. Whenever they say about the line segment, you can blindly just place a end points on the either side of the line. Does it has two endpoints? Yes. So our answer is true. So whenever you solve a problem, just understand the question and then solve it, which makes you very easy, and it will be helpful in scoring you full marks. It is the only subject where you can score full marks. A line segment is the shortest distance between any two given points. First, draw a diagram so that it will be clearly understandable. A line segment, I already said you, for a line segment it should have two dots, right? Now this we have drawn a line segment is shortest distance between the 2 points. Here to here, it is the shortest distance because it cannot be extended. Line segment, it cannot be extended on either side, so it is a shortest distance. Yes, true. I hope you understood. Because it is not extended, we can state it as true, right? Next. Now let's move on to the fourth question. An infinite number of straight lines can be drawn through a point. So what here they are asking is, can we draw infinite number of lines through a point? Just imagine a point, because they have said through a point can we draw a line or not. So I am imagining a point and just keep drawing a line passing through them like this, like this, like this, like this, and you can even draw many more, right? So you can draw it over here and very near to here. You can keep on drawing like this, right? So the answer is true. It will be easy when you understand the question. Write the number of endpoints in a line segment AB. I've already explained you what is line segment. It has two endpoints. So I'm just drawing a line segment, and what they're asking, write the number of endpoints to it. How many endpoints does it have? It has endpoints on either side, that is 2. So the answer is 2. Whenever they say a line segment, just put a dots on the either side. When they say a ray, put a dot on the one side and put an arrow on the other side. When they tell about the line, then put an arrow on both the sides. Both the sides can be extended in line. A ray AB. Just as I said you, to draw a ray, one side should be represented with arrow because it is extending, and another side with a dot, that is end point. So how many end points are over here? Only one. So the answer is 1. Next, a line AB. Just now I explained you, line has both sides are extending. Even here you can extend, even on the other side you can extend. That's why I have denoted with arrow. So it has 0 endpoints. I hope it's very clear. Out of AB, see, I have explained in a previous video, when both sides are denoted with extending line, then it is line AB. What they are telling is line AB. Here AB is a ray because one side is point, other side is arrow. Just now I explained the line, right? So whenever you want to tell about a line segment or anything, you can just represent them like this. Either side without endpoints and other side with an arrow. Even this is a ray. See, one side is end and other side is having an arrow so that you can extend. And A, B, both are endpoints. That's why I haven't placed any arrow over there. So it means it is line segment, right? It is a line AB, it is ray AB, and line segment AB, which has a fixed length. We all know that AB line is a line segment is fixed, right? Just now I have explained in the previous question, because it has both endpoints. How many rays can be drawn through fixed point O? Through fixed point O, let's consider a point O, and how many rays can we draw? See here clearly, what they are saying is ray. Ray means one end should be denoted with the end point and another with a small arrow, right? So always draw a arrow on the one side, and fixed end should start from the fixed point O. So you can draw how many ever lines you want. When they are asking ray, you should put the arrow, right? If they are asking about the line segment, you should not put this arrow because both sides are endpoints. I hope you understood it. So infinite number of rays can be drawn. Infinite number of rays can be drawn. How many lines can be drawn through 3 collinear points? In our previous video, I have explained what is collinear points. Even though, let me explain once again. Collinear points is nothing but on a single line or any line lying on the same plane with 3 points on it. Here, this is a line. Because I am saying a line, I am putting arrow on both the sides. If you say line segment, you should not put this arrow, you should put a point on the either side. because I am saying collinear points on a line more than 3. More than 3, that is 3, 4, 5. If more than 3 point lies on the same line, on a one line, then it is collinear points. So how many lines can be drawn through this collinear? Only one line is passing through them, right? So 1 is the answer. Next, through non-collinear points. When on one line if you have 3 dots, it is called as collinear. As they are saying non-collinear, I am taking 3 points and it should be non-collinear. So I am drawing a line like this. All these 3 points passes with the different lines, right? On different lines. So it is non-collinear. How many lines can be drawn through this non-collinear points? It is 3. Next question. I have explained about this complementary and its formulas in a previous video. Please check the description box. Is 40 the complement of 6? Firstly, what is complement? What is complement? Complement is nothing but when the sum of angles is 90, then it is complementary. Just remember this. When you add two angles should be added. When you add 2 angles, you should get 90. So, angle A is the complementary of angle B. Angle B is the complementary of angle C. Here they have given 2 angles, 40 and 60. They are asking, is 40 complement of 60? That means this is angle A and this is angle B. I said you, angle A is the complement of angle B. Angle B is complement of angle C. That means 40 plus 60. Right? This is one angle, this is one angle. Is it complementary? When you add both the complementary angles, that is any angles, if you get 90 degree, then it is complementary. So let's add and see. If you add it, what you get is 110. Is 110 is not equal to 90. That means 40 is not complementary, is not a complementary of 60 degree. So the answer is no. I hope you understood it. Next, is 45 the supplementary of 45? Here you need to understand, even the supplementary I have explained in the previous video. Check the description box. Supplementary, always remember, supplementary formula is when you add the 2 angles, that is sum of angles will be 180 degree. So here and even here, angle A is supplementary to angle B, angle B is supplementary to angle A. Here they are asking 45 supplementary of 45. So just place in the angle A, angle B. 45 plus 45. When you add this both, what you get is 90 degree. Is 90 equal to 180? No, it's not equal. When we are adding this 2, we are not getting 180. That means 45 is not the complementary of 45. So the statement is false. That is no. I hope it's very clear. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for geometry, lines and angles. Thank you.